皆さんこんにちは。This is the sixth video of JLPT N5 Vocabulary with Sentences series. If this video helps you, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell to get notified for more JLPT videos. So, let's get started. The first word, to swim. 泳ぐ。泳ぐ。Let's look at the example sentence. 夜に泳ぐのは危険です。夜に泳ぐのは危険です。Swimming at night is dangerous. So the first word, 夜, that means night. に is a particle that specifies time. It will be translated into at, in this case in English. So 夜に that means at night. 泳ぐ that means to swim, and it's a dictionary form. and then no. This no after the verb makes the verb into a noun. So it's like to swim or swimming in English. So 夜に泳ぐの this part means swimming at night. And then what is a topic marker. So talking about swimming at night, 危険 means dangerous. And then です is or in English, and in this case it means is. So the whole sentence means swimming at night is dangerous. Alright, let's look at the next example sentence. 泳ぐのは苦手です。泳ぐのは苦手です。I am not good at swimming. So the first word, 泳ぐ. This is again dictionary form of 泳ぐ, swim. And then again, no. This no after the verb makes the verb into a noun, like to swim or swimming. So 泳ぐの this part means swimming. And then what is again topic marker. Okay, this might be a new vocabulary for you. 苦手. That means poor at or weak in or not very good at. The first kanji means bitter. And then second kanji means hand. Somehow, if you put these words together, it becomes 苦手. That means poor at or weak in, not very good at. And then lastly, です means is, or in English. So the whole sentence means I am not good at swimming. There is no subject in this sentence, but you can assume that it's talking about the person speaking. Alright, let's look at the next word. To go down, to get off, e.g. from a vehicle. 降りる。降りる。東京駅で電車を降りました。東京駅で電車を降りました。I got off the train at Tokyo Station. Alright, first word, 東京. That means Tokyo. Next word, 駅. That means station. So together, 東京駅 means Tokyo Station. で is a particle that specifies location. In this case, it means at in English. So 東京駅で that means at Tokyo Station. Next word, 電車. That means train. お is a direct object marker of an action. In this case, action is 降りる to get off. 降りました's 降り. This part is a mass form, stem, of 降りる to get off. So stem, that means it's a mass form, but without mass, that is a stem. You just remove the mass of a mass form, and then that becomes the mass form stem. And instead of mass, in this case, we use mashita. That's a past form of mass. And it's talking about the past, but I'm still making the sentence polite. Alright, the whole sentence means I got off the train at Tokyo Station. There's no subject again, but you can or we assume that it's talking about the person speaking. Alright, let's look at the next example sentence. 彼はその木から降りた。彼はその木から降りた。He climbed down the tree. The first word, 彼, that means he. は is again topic marker. その means that. And then 木 means tree. So その木 that means that tree. Next, から that means from. So その木から that means from that tree. And then 降りた that is a past form of 降りる. In this case, it means to go down. So he, speaking of him or he, from that tree went down. Alright, that means he climbed down the tree. Let's look at the next word. To finish, to end. 終わる、終わる。今、仕事が終わった。今、仕事が終わった。The work got done now. The work finished now. The first word, 今, that means now. 仕事, that means work or job. が is a subject marker. And in this case, subject is 仕事。ね、終わった。That is a past form of 終わる to end or finish. So, the whole sentence means the work finished now. The work got done now. Alright, let's look at the next example sentence. この映画はいつ終わりますか？この映画はいつ終わりますか？ When does this movie end? この that means this. And then 映画 that means movie. So the other この映画 means this movie. は is again topic marker. いつ that means when. 終わります that is a mass form of 終わる that means to end. And then か this part かmakes the sentence into a question. So the whole sentence means when does this movie end? Alright, next word to buy. 買う買うさっきこの本を買いました。さっきこの本を買いました。I bought this book a short while ago. The first word, さっき that means a short while ago or just now. Then, この that means this. And then, 本 that means book. So, この本 means this book. を is again the direct object marker of an action. An action in this case is 買う to buy. And then 買い this part is a mass form of 買う except it doesn't have mass in this part. 買い with just 買い. But instead of mass, we used ました in this sentence. ました is a past form of ます. Still talking about the past, but still making the sentence polite. So the whole sentence means, I bought this book a short while ago. Again, there is no subject in this sentence, but you can assume that it's talking about the person speaking. Alright. さっきこの本を買いました. In Japanese, the word order is a short while ago, this book I bought. But it actually means I bought this book a short while ago. This way of talking sounds like someone that I know in Star Wars. Who is Yoda? Master Yoda, I love him. I miss him in all the Star Wars movies. And it's a great picture. He has a book. A short while ago, this book I bought. That's what he would say, I think. Anyway, let's go to the next word. To return something, to pay back. 返す、返す。先月に貸した DVD を返してください。先月に貸した DVD を返してください。Please return the DVD that I lent you last month. Alright, 先月 that means last month. に particle specifies time. So, 先月に means in last month. ね、貸した。That's a past form of 貸す。That means to lend. And DVD is DVD, right? You know that. And in Japanese, it's DVD. I know it sounds weird, but DVD is DVD. And 先月に貸した DVD. That means the DVD that I lent last month. O is again, just like always, direct object marker of an action. And action in this case is 返す, to return. So what do you return? The DVD that I lent last month. Alright, and then next, 返して. That is a te form of 返す, to return. ください means please. So te form plus ください. That means please do something. Alright, the whole sentence means please return the DVD that I lent last month. Let's look at the next example sentence. 彼は借りたお金を全部返した。彼は借りたお金を全部返した。He gave back all the money he had borrowed. Alright, 彼 means he. は is topic marker. 借りた is a past form of 借りる. That means to borrow. お金 means money. So 借りたお金 that means money he borrowed or he had borrowed. お is again direct object marker of an action. And the action is 返す. But in this sentence it means to give back. Right? Next word 全部. That means all or whole or entire. Then 返した is a past form of 返す. So it means gave back. Whole sentence means he gave back all the money he had borrowed. Alright, before I wrap up this video, I will give you a challenge. Try making a sentence with any of the words we learned today. And feel free to post it in the comment section. I will read it and all of your comments and reply back as much as possible. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. All I ask for return if you learned something new is to hit the like button, subscribe button, and if you haven't done that already, hit the notification bell to get notified for more JLPT N5 videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。